Hello everyone, I am Abhilash. So I would thank to emertxe company which offered me an internship at subject named embedded system. So now I'm going to start my PPT, so presentation. So firstly, I'm pursuing my engineering at the Oxford College of Engineering with the branch Electronics and Communication Engineering. So my teammates are Vanarahul B and Sri Ganesh. So myself, I am T Abhilash. So I would like to tell you the topics which we was taught in the internship period. So we were taught like introduction to C, data types, modifiers and qualifiers, and then conditional statements, operators, arrays and pointers, functions, variables and storage class keywords, tools installation, MPLab X IDE, XE8 compiler, so PicSimLab and introduction to embedded systems and microcontroller, GPS versus ES embedded system, introduction to various peripherals of 16F877 A microcontroller, project requirement and design, embedded C programs for interfacing, LEDs, matrix, keypad, 6x4 LCD, buzzers, ISR, and Kohler. So Disha workshop for carrying, building, and resume preparation. So now I'm going to tell you about the introduction to embedded system. So any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called as an embedded system. I would like to give you four examples named as a microwave oven, rover, washing machine, and CCTV camera. Here we use microwave oven for heating the food, and rover we used to transmit the information from the space. And thirdly, the washing machine is used to wash the clothes. So then fourth is like CCTV camera, which works as a which monitoring of some particular thing. So next I'm going you to explain about a microcontroller. A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit. And it contains one or more CPUs along with memory and programmable input or output peripherals. So the block diagram of microcontroller includes CPU, RAM, input output devices, and ROM, timer, serial port. So next, I'm going you to tell about the difference between GPS and ES. So GPS is mainly known as general purpose system, and ES is nothing but embedded system. So in general purpose system, a general purpose system is designed to perform a wide range of tasks and applications. So it performs a wide range of tasks and applications. And whereas the embedded system is a specialized computer system designed to perform specific tasks. So in here, the GPS general purpose system is used for a wide range, and an embedded system is used to perform such a specific task and a limited task or functions within a larger system. So and in GPS, it can be used for a wide variety of tasks from word processing and web browsing to gaming and content creation. And here in embedded system, it's typically used in specific applications such as automotive control systems, medical devices, industrial automation, and consumer electronics. And a GPS, it usually consists of a standard set of hardware components like CPU, RAM, storage devices, and peripherals. In embedded system, hardware is tailored to the specific requirements of the embedded applications, often with minimalistic components to reduce cost and power consumption. So the examples for GPS are desktops, notebooks, smartphones, and tablets, etc. So the examples of here the examples of embedded system are microwave oven, ATM, traffic light, automatic gates, etc. So next, I'm going you to tell about PIC simulation lab peripherals. So peripherals or hardware. So the peripherals we use are like microcontroller, LCD. Microcontroller is of PIC 16F877A and LCD display, keys, buzzer, fan, and timer. So this is the architecture of PIXSIM lab architecture. So here the PIXSIM lab consists of RS232 LEDs, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, CLCD, GPIO, I2C, RTC, EEPROM, LM35 temperature sensor, and ADC. And now I'm going to tell you about the PIC 16F877A microcontroller pin diagram. So here the pins. The pins, each pin has its specific functions. So now this is the function of a specific pin, which is noted each pin, noted with, noted of the each pin. So now I'm going you to tell about our project. Our project is microwave oven. So microwave oven is a relatively small box-like oven that raises the temperature of food by subjecting it to a high frequency electromagnetic field. So the food gets heated by its high frequency electromagnetic field. Next, the features of a microwave oven is micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start. So micro mode in a oven is when you start your microwave oven, you are typically in this mode. You can adjust the cooking time and power level as needed for your specific cooking requirements. In our project, the maximum power specified is 900 watts. So then the secondly, the grill mode. Microwave oven with grill or boil functions have heating elements on the top or bottom to help brown and crisp the surface of foods. So the third feature is convection mode. Some microwave ovens come with convection cooking and convection cooking capabilities, which allow them to function as both a microwave and a traditional oven. So the fourth is the start feature. In this mode, the microwave oven starts its operation with time 30 seconds, and this can be also incremented by 30 seconds. So the requirements is like the requirements of our project is like pin configuration, basic embedded C, MPLAB XID, and XC8 compiler. PICSIMLab. PICSIMLab needs of PIC 16F877A microcontroller, 6x4 LCD display, matrix keypad, cooler, and buzzer. So now I'm going you to show my code, which is designed. So this is our code. Firstly, we used firstly we use like main.h function, and next so we have given with we also include like Excel CLCD.h, matrix keypad.h, and timers.h. So these are like the functions which are going to operate power on screen, menu display screen, micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode, time display, start, pause, stop, warning. So these are the functions. So then if we need to resume or like if we need to stop the operation, it's like reset nothing, mode reset, reset temperature. So then it's like a fan DDR, buzzer DDR, door dot DDR on off. So next I'm going you to show how the oven works with the simulation. So when I'm gonna press now with the reset, so the micro powering on the microwave oven. So when I press with one, the menu will be displayed like micro grill convection start modes. So when I press with 10 star, uh, 10 star, see the timer will be stopped or it will be resumed. So when I press with only 10 hash, so it gets entered and the operation gets started and the fan gets started. So if you want to resume, you can press, we need to press the 4 and the timer gets increases with or it gets incremented with 30 seconds. So we can stop with 4. If you press 4, the timer gets goes on increasing. So if you want to pause the operation, you need to press 5. So the operation will get paused, the fan gets stopped, and the operation will be stopped because you need to stop the operation. So again, if you press with 6, the operation gets resumed and it goes on. So when you press with 6, the operation will get completely stopped. So now you can enter with the second mode. It's known as grill mode. So grill mode, when you want to set the timer, the grill mode, it's like you need to set the degree 180. If you give more than 185 degree, it does not take any it does not take because the give a degree I have given in this program is around 180 degree. So I want to start with it and I will go on. So it started with the 5 minute. So I'm gonna stop this operation by pressing 5. If I gonna press this 5, the operation will be paused. So if I want to start this operation again, it gets started by pressing 4. And if I press this 6, the operation will get stopped. So when I want to go for another mode, it's like a convection mode. In this convection mode, uh, given temperature around 180 degree in the program. So if I select more than 180 180 degree, so it displays the output like enter. Just a second, I'll show you again. 186 degree. It shows like enter temperature less than or equal to 180 degree. So I'm gonna give now 145 degree. Now it's like 145 degrees. So I'm gonna start the operation with time 18 seconds. So it's preheating the oven with time 18 seconds and 180 degree. So I'm gonna stop this operation. Or the buzzer will blow after stopping this operation. So you can see that timer is going down, and the operation will be stopped. So I'm gonna clear the operation by pressing star. So now I'm gonna start with now I am started with the operation. So I've given some 15 seconds and the operation I've started. So I want to resume my operation. So I am gonna press with 5 and I will pause the resume. I'll pause or resume the operation. So with pressing 4 and then I'm gonna stop this. Now by pressing 4, I'm gonna start that how the buzzer works. I'm gonna tell you. See, after 25 seconds, the buzzer is gonna blow off. So you can see the timer is going on, the fan is running, and the operation will be going on. So after 16 to 15 seconds, the buzzer will blow. See, the buzzer is blowing, and so this is what our operation, and again it returns to the menu. So this is how the microwave oven works, and this is what I would like to tell you. So, so thank you. We would like to thank everybody who just provided an opportunity to complete our internship at emertxe company. So thank you one and all.